So this video applies for Boxsters, also 911 convertibles. They're a little bit different on the Cabrio 911s. However, this car has some major electrical damage. So we're reassembling, but the whole carpeting had to come out because the water flooded everything, and the rear electronics module was under the seat. So the power went out. The convertible top started working by itself internally, and it broke all the components. Let me see if I can show you guys some of the pieces that are in there. But anyways, there's these pieces for the arm attachments. So they broke and bent. These are supposed to be straight, but the good news is the sections here break off first so you don't damage your frame further. Why this problem happened in the first place is not due to water intrusion from your normal drains. Typically those will clog and they will cause the water to enter the cabin inside after the rain will overfill. Or if you park this car on a hill this way, have a big rainfall, it will cause water to enter, waterfall effect here. This will get wet and you'll have water here. And the way to tell is you can just stick your hand in between the carpet and you'll feel all the water and all the wetness here. So that's what happened with this customer. However, he didn't have your typical drain issue. His problem was actually due to this. We got rubber trays here. So these little trays, this is where you got the holes for the drain here. And what happened is, from time, they were rubbing on the convertible. I don't know if you can see that right there, that little rub mark areas. That right there is where the water was getting in. Both sides have rub marks. This side is the one that actually rubbed through all the way. So that's a problem. And now when that occurred, this convertible mechanism activated by itself and actually caused the convertible components to break and become out of sync. So you can see there's a big gash right here. There's a huge cut right there in the rubber right there. And that's because the mechanism broke and actually came in contact. So if this ever happens on your car, and I've seen these not clipped in either. This is your rain deflectors. This is when the water gets in here. This actually gets clipped in and then the water runs off here. So here's what we need to do to fix that. These brand new pieces here. Unfortunately, it's a lot of work. You got to lift the top section to install them, so they're not a very easy solution. But as your vehicle starts to age, like your Boxsters, they start to age. This applies for new and old generations. These need to be replaced, these trays. They're rubberized, almost like a foam type material, but they will pretty much fail, and you will have mysterious water leaks at heavy downpour, like this situation here. So very important to get these inspected, especially if you have a lot of miles. So here's the other side. This one tore up. We just got it removed right now. So this is what we're looking at right here. That's the drain. And if anything gets in between here, you see the rub marks. This is because there were some acorns and it just pretty much destroyed the sections here. But you see there's not a lot of material here. So where you have the convertible mechanism, if the car is tilted like this, the same weight like I'm holding, you can see how water can start to pile up here, and there's not a whole lot of, so it's gonna pour right in here. So here's the new sections installed. So we're just getting them fully seated, front and rear, or left and right, and that one's being tucked in right now. So after this, there's gonna be no more leaks. As long as you maintain these components. This is where the rubber section goes in, and that's where the little hole is that I just showed you guys, where it penetrates the bolt area where it attaches right there to the mechanism. So as long as this is maintained and cleaned, you shouldn't have any problems. But the electronics are pretty much the biggest issue and the biggest sign that you have water coming in. I'll show you what that looks like. Module looks like completely destroyed, and this is due to the water intrusion that's known to happen on both your 911 and Boxster. This is already a bad unit. So the original sign was the convertible just kept opening, trying to open by itself, and the components broke apart. That's where all the pieces and rubber components are destroyed now. So that is it. If your convertible top activates on a 911 and it's a downpour rain, this whole car will be flooded. And we've seen that so many times, it's crazy. They will open by themselves because they will short out at the module. So guys, make sure you get your 911, your Boxster, inspected for debris in these areas, because if you don't and water starts to accumulate here and pours down this rear firewall section, it's gonna flood the whole car. The worst thing though, on the 911s, these will open, at least on the Boxsters. On the older ones, you have the lock mechanism. On the new Boxsters, they're now just like the 911, so the convertible top will automatically fold. We've seen that happen before, so pretty expensive damage once that happens. So hope this video will help some of you guys that are having some weird electrical problems and that are having problems with water intrusion. There's a lot more other issues, but this is the most common. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.